To begin your voice recording, you're going to click this button. The time starts immediately. Jennifer Vadney. When you're done, turn it off. You do have a button to listen. If you like it, keep it. If not, you can redo it. To get the correct link, press Save and Share. And you can see we have lots of options here. Many people are familiar with this option, copy link. However, I suggest not using this one. You'll see that lots of ads pop up on this version. So what I suggest is clicking Embed. You'll get embed code. And for the embed code, you really just need this section right here between the quotes. Let me do that one more time. Copy it, and I'll paste it out here. Okay, so this is the link that you're going to use, and I will show you what that looks like. It's definitely a much neater, very bright green, but no ads. The next step is to create your email signature. When you're in your Gmail, click on that settings gear, click See All Settings, and stay on the general page. Scroll down until you see the word signature and press Create New. You will need to name it, and that's because you can have more than one signature on file. In the text box to the right, type in what you would like your email signature to say. Underneath my name, I'm going to press the link icon and start typing in here my name. And then I will paste the embed link in the web address box. Now I have to select the Gmail signature that I just created for both new emails, replies, and anything I'm going to forward. And make sure you press Save Changes. So now when I go to compose an email, my email signature automatically displays. This is an active link, so a recipient can click on it, click the link, and then it will take you to this nice bright green page with no ads, and the person can click the play button and listen to the pronunciation of the name.